Hi guys, that's Alex and my skeptic blog. So today I'll show you something. So this is the card I have. It's I got those two cards when I purchased Tesla, and this is the one. It's like I said before, it's like a credit card, and you can use it to open. So this is the Tesla. I put it on charge right now, and it's not far from the house. It's tricky with this spot. Sometimes it's stuck. You have to press on it and then you can it open, but sometimes you have to open from the app, from the cell phone app, because it's not working. I don't know, maybe it's a bug or something. So now we'll try to unlock the car. So to unlock the car you have to use the as a credit card, special card. Unlocked? No. Okay, I'll try again. Now it's unlocked. And by the way, you see it's open and closed. So when you lock in the car, it's closing. And then when you're locking, it's opening again. So that's inside the car. We can see, yeah, it's hard to see, but on the steering wheel you have just kind of two buttons from the right and left side. One is for the sound, one for the different thing there. And as you can see, there is nothing in the car. It's actually, the roof is black, and now I can see something, because when the sun is shining you can't see anything. So anyway, so what we have here, we have a screen, and now it's showing you the charging time remaining. I connected the charger dry outlet, and it takes around the whole night to charge the car. And because my dry outlet is it's very close to the garage, so it was pretty easy for me to do it. So it's a huge screen, and what we can see here, you can change some of those options here. Display brightness, you can do it like this. Then you can do the mirrors and the steering wheel, and those buttons which are already in, maybe you can see what's in there. Then we have it's a kind of navigation section. Then the screens, actually you can change them. Then there are plenty of options here: call, calendar, camera. Okay, where is it? Camera. Okay, camera. Now it's showing you. Okay, what else? Energy consumption, charging, what else? Web. As I said, the internet is working here. Oh, wait, let me see if it's really working right now. Must be working. Okay. So why have a black screen? Okay, you have to sign in, but guess you can use the browser and you can do whatever you want, I guess. For example, Google. Let me see if it will go to Google. Okay, you see? Pretty fast. And as I said before, I'm not paying for that. What we have here, like Tesla. Okay, let's go to Tesla. Let's see. So you see, it's pretty fast, and it's you have it for a month, and then you have to pay $5 per month to keep the same way. So now, if you're gonna press here, so with all the different options, I already showed you the web. Then we have entertainment. This is crazy part. Like, are you kidding me, Tesla? What? Who's gonna play with that? Like, I'm pretty sure you can. Yeah, you can watch Netflix and all this stuff, Tesla tutorials, but so I guess I don't really understand this. Probably you can play, but then who's gonna play anyway? Then you have the toy box. So plenty of stuff, but where's the music? Oh, here we have the radio. Radio is like phone, streaming, Spotify. That's what I said, karaoke. What it's for? See? Karaoke, country. And then, like, listen, I understand it's a nice feature here, but when are you gonna do it? Probably never. As I said, maybe when you go camping or something. And it's a strange karaoke. So it's plenty of stuff, and as you can see, everything is on the screen.